Hi, I'm going to help you how to connect the phone in diagnostic mode. It is the normal mode. First of all, you have to power off this phone. Power off. It's the power off already. Then connect the USB cable and press the volume up and down button both together and connect USB cable. Press volume up and down button. Up and down. Connect USB cable. Volume up and down button. Don't press the power button. Connect the USB cable. You can see the Apple logo here. Honey, you can see the Apple logo. Release the button. Release both button. You can see the diagnostic option here. It may take few minutes. You can see it's the diagnostic mode. Start diagnostic. You can connect your Wi-Fi connection from here. That already connected. It's also asked password to set your Wi-Fi. It's the diagnostic mode already connected. If you want to exit the diagnostic mode, so you can click here to exit diagnostic. I hope this video will be helpful for you to connect phone in diagnostic mode. Thanks for watching my video.